Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Ford Flex SEL. 2017 Ford Flex SEL, bold style, big space, and flex-tastic performance. This four-door wagon has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and a transmission. This Ford is a great value with less than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Behold the 2017 Ford Flex SEL, powered by a 3.5L V6 engine pushing 287 horsepower and 254 lb-ft of torque, wrapped in a sleek magnetic exterior. Inside, ride in comfort with charcoal black leather accented by earth gray inserts, stylish and spacious. Enjoy premium factory features like a panoramic sunroof, touchscreen infotainment, and a power liftgate for ultimate convenience. With under 40K miles, less than 5K/year, this Flex is barely broken in. Fuel economy? A solid 16 mpg city and 23 mpg highway. Powerful yet practical. Plus, a clean Carfax means peace of mind for the road ahead. Bold, roomy, and ready for adventure, this Flex is a head-turner and a road trip hero. Don't miss out on this Flex-tastic ride. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.